Did you know that you can make $450 in just 3 hours, and it's stupid easy? All you need, one of these. Come on, I'll show you. Go to textbroker.com. They're going to pay you for every word that you write. Go to I write content and click payment. Textbroker is going to pay you $152 to write 9,500 words. The average amount of words spoken per minute by a person is 150. So this is how we're going to make this even easier. Instead of writing out the text, we're going to open up a Google document, click on Tools, and we're going to open voice typing. Now you'll be able to see everything that I'm saying is being recorded real time. This is how you're going to be able to get 9,500 words in 1 hour. After you're finished, go over to Grammarly and you'll be able to fix all the grammatical mistakes. Or another method is to use the power of ChatGPT. You can type in a topic, or you can use an existing topic and get it to rewrite it to make it even easier. And if you want to learn how to make 5 figures a month just by making 7-second videos, check out my bio, watch the 14-minute video, and it'll help you get started and get you on your way.